I don't know why this is a chicken jockey. Look, it spins like a real chicken jockey. Meaning it's like a real chicken jockey, but actually going to the comment saying this chicken jockey video because it's actually one of seeing like the chicken jockey. Yeah, look at it, the chicken jockey. Like a fast chicken jockey, like a Minecraft zombie name, something like that. Yeah, like that guy. That zombie guy, but I hope you saw that chicken jockey. I know you love chicken jockey. And you have to look it out there. Or actually start doing like that. I don't know if I do, but it's actually the funniest Easter egg video. Actually, I like it. I absolutely like it, and it's actually totally awesome. Yeah, I know this is a favorite chicken jockey. See this chicken jockey, and yep, say chicken jockey down below me. So. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.